Okay, so today we'll be opening up this STP oil filter, number S4967, and we'll be comparing it to this Carquest oil filter, number R85394MP. And I got these two oil filters from a very generous viewer whose name is Eric from Seacliff, New York. Thanks, Eric. These oil filters fit Eric's 2002 Toyota Echo. Yep, the one with a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, which now has 218,000 miles. And these two oil filters, I gotta duke it out. Could get ugly, folks. And when the dust clears, we'll see who the winner is. Between the two oil filters, which one would you use? So let's get started.
You gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight. Get your inner here, filtration.
Okay, we'll start with the STP. We'll start with the box. It's rated for 5,000 miles. Both filters are rated for 5,000 miles. The filter number. Right here, some filters that it crosses over to. And that's about it for this box. So let's open this box up, see what this filter looks like. And we got a date code. P012725FA. Made in Argentina. This is a sticker on here. Okay, got instructions here. Alright, and this filter has 8 inlet holes, metal core with holes, bypass valve with the dome end, 3 grooves there for threads, and nitro rubber gasket. It's on here pretty good. Okay, let's look at the Carquest oil filter. The Carquest oil filter, let's look at the date code. Leak tested 24MRN12. This also has a sticker on it. Instructions. And right here it says it's distributed by Advanced Auto Parts. You can get that focus in better. Raleigh, North Carolina, but it's made in Vietnam. And it's got this plastic cover over it. And this filter has 8 inlet holes, metal center core with holes, bypass valve at the dome end. It's like 4 grooves there for threads, and nitro rubber P-style gasket. Yep, it's a P-style gasket. Okay, let's get the weight of these two filters. So the STP, 209.1 gram. Carquest, 199.5 grams. Yeah, they're almost the same. Alright, let's open these two filters up, see what they look like inside. Be right back. Okay, so here we got both filters cut open. Here's the gaskets. The Carquest got the P-style gasket, which is thinner. I'll put the thickness of these gaskets up on the screen. Sure, both do a good job though. And let's look at the base plates. And you can see the STP filter has this, it's like almost like a baked on grease or something. I don't think that's rust. I think it's like a baked on grease because it comes off, goes on my finger. I don't know what that's all about, but that's the way it was. The threads, there's an extra thread here on the Carquest. I'm sure both do a good job though, except for really care for that too much. And we got the anti-drain back valves, nitro rubber. So you can actually see some of this oil or grease on here in the STP. Let's put them on here, see how they work. You know, look like they did do a good job there. Okay, let's start with this STP filter element. You got a bypass valve right here, which has a setting of 15 psi. And this STP filter, it looks like it's been thrown around a lot, or look at it, it's like it's all scratched up. Kind of strange, but it looks kind of pretty rough. And it's got a little extra glue here, right here. Got a metal crimp seam. And this filter, the STP, has 60 pleats. And it's a cellulose media. But they don't list the micron rating on Napa's website. See the holes in there nicely. Okay. And this one, the Carquest, looks a lot cleaner. Got a bypass valve right here, which has a setting of 14 to 18 psi. Yeah, it's nice and shiny. A lot cleaner. Got a metal crimp seam. And the Carquest has 45 pleats, which is a lot less pleats. 15 less pleats. And the Carquest has a cellulose media with a micron rating of 95% at 20 microns. Yeah, it looks pretty nice compared to the STP. Now inside these guys, okay, we got STP, which has a stamp leaf spring. Kind of a strange stamp leaf spring. And Carquest has a coil spring. And look at the cans. You see it overspraying both of them. And I'll put the measurements of these cans up on the screen. And let's get the width of these filters. So the STP is 2.15 inches wide minus 1/10 of an inch. And the Carquest is also 2.15 inches wide minus 1/10 of an inch. Alright, so which one's going to have more filter media? I would say the STP. But let me cut these open, stretch them out, and see what these guys look like under a microscope. Be right back. Okay, here they are, both stretched out. And the STP oil filter is 60.5 inches long. And the Carquest filter is 45.5 inches long. Okay, let's get the thickness of this filter media. The STP filter, 0.64 millimeters thick. And the Carquest filter, 0.97 millimeters thick. Quite a bit thicker, and you're going to see why in a minute. You got the STP on the left, Carquest on the right. The filtering side, back side. And if we take a look at these guys under a microscope, you can tell that the Carquest would do a better job of filtering. There's some light spots on this STP, and it's a lot thinner filter. You can feel it, you can see it. So let's take a look at that picture. So So as you can see, the STP I don't think would do as good a job as the Carquest for filtering, but you get about 31 square inches or more filter media with the STP. Now let's take a look at the rest of the filter. So okay, we went over these components, the gaskets and drain bag valves, the cans, nice thick cans, both thick cans. Both got holes. This one just fell apart, that's all, but no big deal. You can see that this one's got a lot more holes, the STP, than the Carquest. So I think between the both of them, I don't know, it's a hard call. If you want oil flow, I think STP would be the one to get. And if you want better filtration, I think the Carquest would be the one to get. Personally, I prefer the Carquest. I like better filtration. Which filter would you guys pick? Please post your comments down below. And again, I want to thank Eric for sending me these 2 oil filters. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I try to open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care. The STP filter media weighs 10.1 gram. The Carquest filter media weighs 11.5 grams.